Hi friends, welcome to UA Infotech channel. So last class we had discussed about Bootstrap tables. So in this session I would like to explain Bootstrap images. Okay, there are three types of images available in basic in web. So one is a JPG image, another one is a PNG, and another one is a GIF image. Okay, and coming to in Bootstrap, we have a three classes available. So we can make the images as a rounded corners. We can make images as a circle. We can make images as a thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail in the sense it will give you a border, white color border for images. Okay, let me share my Visual Studio. Create new file. Now I can save the file with bs images.html. Let me write the program bs5 images. And let me write this bs file link css bootstrap.min.css file. Now let me take in a br and create one container. Instead I'm just make it one row. Okay, I'm just make it a grid system call excel 4. Okay, now so I'm going to place one image here, image tag src. Okay, so giving here a relative file path. So we have a body here. Let me take this board and alternative text. We'll write here a board. Okay, now let me run this one on the browser. Right click open in default browser. Now look at this one. So it getting this the image full width here. Okay, so you have to control even if you're writing a grid system. So it will take entire image. Okay, now we need to make this image as a responsive position. Okay, so in Bootstrap we have a responsive. In order to make this responsive, we use image fluid class. Okay, so this is a class which will just make images as a responsive position. So in basic in Bootstrap 4 and 3, in 3 itself we have image responsive class itself. Like img we can write responsive. Okay, and later it will be changed to, later it will migrate it to image fluid in Bootstrap 4 and 5. Okay, now for body I'm gonna apply some contextual classes. Okay, let me take one class. I'm just writing here a bg secondary. Let me go to this, just reload this page. Now look at this, we just place an image here. Okay, now for this image, so we can also apply a thumbnail class, like we can apply some border using this thumbnail. Image thumbnail is a class in order to add here a white color background, okay, towards an image here. Okay, like we can use this image thumbnail. So another one is a rounded. Okay, for rounded, so let's make it here. This is an image thumbnail, and I'm gonna apply here a class text white. So over there, just reload this image thumbnail. Okay, similarly, let me create one more call excel 4. Then let me take an image tag, image src, and make it to I'm taking one image like make it this image, and zoo, and let me add the class name, class. I'm taking here an image fluid, and also I'm just applying image circle, image circle class. Okay, and just make a copy of this s2, and you can paste it here. Just add your image rounded image circle. Okay, so in order to add this circle, we just add here rounded circle, rounded circle. Let me go to this browser once. Let's reload this page. See, I'm gonna add here a rounded circle, and another one is like we have a rounded is rounded in the sense it will make images edges has a round position. So let me copy this. So we can make a copy of one more Excel and just giving here. So I'm taking a butterfly. So just give an alternative text as a butterfly. Okay. And for rounded, just add here, just remove this circle. Only we have a rounded classes here. Yes, make it to rounded. Okay, just go to this. Let's reload this page. Now look at this. The edges is rounded. And now to see this one, go to this inspect. Okay, and click on this rounded here. So we have a rounded border is here. Okay, so in order to apply your own rounded, okay, own rounded class, let me copy this rounded and go to our HTML code. I'm trying to write a style tag, custom CSS. You can write here your own custom CSS. And here we go. We just use a style tag. I'm gonna apply our. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna paste our class name rounded. I'm just entered here like a border radius. Okay, border radius. You can apply 30 pixels here. Go there, just reload this page. Just gonna click on this one. See, so it's just try code because of here they are used this important. So we can also use this one, okay, and just make it here and just 30 pixels. I'm gonna add important there. Okay, now look at this. We just apply a rounded corners for image. Okay, so I have to apply in order to view this one. I'm gonna apply some mm, I'm gonna apply some border for this. Okay, just applying some border 2 pixels, solid white. Okay, solid white color. You gonna apply here solid white. Okay, go to this, just reload this page. Now I can clearly see this round ends. Okay, so these three types of images are available in Bootstrap.